Welcome friends. Let us continue with the chapter number 1. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Neeraj Chawda. In today's lecture we are going to study the topic temperature. The definition of temperature: the relative indication of degree of hotness or coldness of a particular system or a body is known as temperature. So it means temperature is nothing but the relative indication of degree of hotness or coldness. The temperature is expressed using different temperature scales like Kelvin scale, Celsius scale, Fahrenheit scales, etc. And let us recall what is the unit in which temperature is measured as per SI system of units. I think this we have studied in first lecture of this chapter only. Can anybody recall? Yes. As per the SI system, unit of temperature is Kelvin. And different temperature given in different units can be converted from one unit to another unit by using these two equations. So temperature in Kelvin is equals to degree Celsius plus 273.16 and temperature in degree Celsius is equals to 5 by 9 into bracket degree Fahrenheit minus 32. Now let us calculate one problem. If T1 is equals to 100 degrees Celsius and T2 is equals to 200 degrees Celsius, find out T2 minus T1 and T2 divided by T1. So all of you calculate and give me the answer. Yes, T2 minus T1 is equals to 200 minus 100. So it is 100 degrees Celsius. I think you are correct? Yes. Now what is the answer of T2 by T1? 200 by 100 is equals to 2. No friend, this is incorrect. Now tell me where you have done the mistake. Yes. Let us again see. 200 plus 273 divided by 100 plus 273 and answer is 1.268. So what is the difference between above calculation and this calculation? Because the unit in which temperature is measured as per SI system is Kelvin, we have to convert the temperature in Kelvin. And when we convert the temperature in Kelvin, we get the answer of T2 by T1 as 1.268, not the 2. So please remember the friends, every time when you do the calculation for the temperature and when it is a division, you are required to convert the temperature in Kelvin and then you will get the correct answer. Whenever there is a subtraction, this will not have any effect. Kindly try. Kindly convert the temperature in Kelvin and then find out the T2 minus T1. You will get the 100 degrees centigrade only. Clear? It will affect mainly when you do the, you can say, division. And don't forget to convert the temperature in Kelvin. Right? So that again I am doing. So T2 minus T1 is equals to 473 minus 373. Answer is 100. So there is no effect when we do the calculation in degree Celsius or Kelvin when it is subtraction. But when it is division, we have to convert into the Kelvin only to get the correct answer. Absolute zero temperature. The temperature of the system is proportional to the average molecular kinetic energy of the molecule or of the system. In simple language, the temperature affects the velocity of the molecule of the body. As the temperature, so what is the difference or what is the relationship between the temperature and kinetic energy of molecules? So if temperature increases, the kinetic energy, that is the velocity of molecule, also increases. And when temperature decreases, kinetic energy of molecule, that is the velocity of molecule, also decreases. So that is the relationship between temperature and kinetic energy of the molecules of any system. So temperature at which the average molecular kinetic energy of the molecules becomes zero. So as we study that, when the temperature will reduce, kinetic energy of the molecule also reduce. So let us continuing to decrease the temperature. So at particular temperature, kinetic energy of the molecule will become zero. And that temperature is known as the absolute zero temperature, and that is the value is 0 Kelvin, or it is minus 273 degrees Celsius. So at that temperature, kinetic energy of molecule becomes zero. So let us compare three temperature scales. Absolute zero, where kinetic energy of the molecules is zero and the Kelvin is value is zero. At that time, what is the value of Celsius? Minus 273.16 degrees Celsius temperature. And at that time, if we measure the temperature in Fahrenheit, the value is minus 459.69 degree Fahrenheit. Now at the freezing point of water, if it is Kelvin, the temperature is 273 Kelvin. At freezing point of water, in Celsius, temperature is 0 degree Celsius. And at freezing point of water, temperature in Fahrenheit is 32 degree Fahrenheit. And similarly, the temperature of when the boiling point of water is reached in Kelvin, Celsius and Fahrenheit are 373 Kelvin, 100 degrees Celsius and 212 degree Fahrenheit. And this is how we can convert the temperature from one scale to another scale. Kindly communicate your queries in a YouTube channel Neeraj Chavda in a comment box. Also like, share and subscribe YouTube channel Neeraj Chavda. Thank you.